Welcome to the ultimate guide for 3D spatial AI, where we unravel the entire workflow from sensors to systems. This video will walk you through the interconnected steps of capturing, understanding, and delivering spatial data using Python. We'll explore point clouds, reconstruction, segmentation, deep learning, semantics, and rendering, all mapped into a single, cohesive pipeline. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this guide will help you see how each skill feeds into the next, creating a robust system for spatial intelligence. Let's dive in and discover how these elements lock together to form the backbone of modern spatial AI. To understand the power of interconnected knowledge, let's look back to 1751, when Diderot and D'Alembert published the Encyclopédie. The clever part wasn't just the articles, but the cross-references tiny links that turned a dictionary into a web of reasoning. This guide borrows that concept, connecting seemingly separate tutorials into a map you can navigate. By drawing cross-references, we transform isolated skills into a unified system, making it easier to grasp the big picture of spatial AI. This historical approach sets the stage for our journey through the 6 core areas. 3D. Spatial AI isn't just one skill. It's at least 6, each feeding into the next. The value lies in the wiring between them. These areas are LiDAR and point cloud processing, 3D reconstruction, segmentation and clustering, 3D deep learning, semantic and spatial AI, and capture, meshing, and visualization. Understanding how these skills interconnect gives you a mental model for tackling any spatial AI project. This roadmap helps you see where to start, what tools to use, and how to progress from opening a point cloud to building a full spatial AI system. Every 3D project follows 3 fundamental stages: capture, understand, and deliver. Capture brings reality into the machine. Understand turns raw numbers into meaning. And deliver transforms that meaning into usable outputs like meshes or measurements. The hardest part is understanding converting noisy, incomplete scans into faithful digital spaces. Skipping any component can destabilize the entire project. This framework is essential for keeping the whole pipeline in mind, ensuring each skill supports the next. Python is the backbone of 3D spatial AI. The toolchain includes LASPI and PDAL for handling large point cloud files, Open3D for geometry processing, NumPy and SciPy for mathematical operations, and scikit-learn and PyTorch for machine learning. Cloud Compare and PoTree are used for visualizing massive datasets. Setting up a clean Python environment per project is crucial to avoid conflicts. Start simple. Open a small LAS file, plot it, and get a rotating cloud on screen. This hands-on approach teaches more than hours of reading. In the age of AI, it's tempting to rely on automated tools. However, understanding the foundations is more valuable than ever. When a tool fails or needs customization, only those who know what's behind the button can fix or improve it. Learning the machinery behind spatial AI puts you in a select group of practitioners who can build and repair systems, not just use them. This guide empowers you to become a builder, not just a passenger. LiDAR is often the starting point for 3D spatial AI. A LiDAR scanner fires light pulses, measuring distances to create millions of XYZ points. Handling this data correctly is crucial. Streaming large files, filtering ground points, and exporting clean terrain models. Python tools like LASPI allow you to process city-scale datasets efficiently. The discipline in data handling here sets the foundation for all downstream tasks. Learn to stream and sample from day one to avoid common pitfalls. 3D data can be represented as points, voxels, or meshes. Point clouds are collections of coordinates. Voxels are volumetric grids, and meshes are surfaces made of triangles. Integrating vector, raster, and point data is key for comprehensive spatial analysis. Automating LiDAR processing and city-scale modeling in Python enables large-scale projects. Free datasets allow you to practice and refine your skills, making this area accessible to everyone. 3D reconstruction turns ordinary photographs into 3D models, no scanner required. Using techniques like photogrammetry and AI depth models, you can create point clouds from single images or multi-photo sets. Tools like Colmap and Meshroom automate this process, making it accessible with just a camera and Python code. Reconstruction is the entry point for those without specialized hardware, enabling the creation of real 3D datasets from everyday devices. With Python and tools like Depth Anything, you can transform 2D images into labeled 3D Gaussian splats. This process enables semantic reconstruction, where each point is not just a coordinate, but carries meaning. Multi-view rendering with Blender automates the creation of dense, measurable clouds. Whether for quick assets or survey-grade results, reconstruction bridges the gap between raw images and actionable spatial data. Segmentation is the first step in understanding spatial data. It groups raw points into meaningful parts like ground, wall, and tree. Using unsupervised methods such as Ransack and dbScan, you can quickly separate features without labels or training. This approach is efficient and handles many real-world jobs. Learning these tools before jumping into deep learning is crucial, as they provide foundational skills for more advanced segmentation tasks. Clustering high-dimensional clouds is a skill in itself. K-means and graph theory methods allow for connectivity-based grouping, while Ransack cleans planes out of noisy data. Indoor shape detection and voxel modeling automate the structuring of point clouds. These techniques enable fast, efficient segmentation, preparing data for deeper analysis and machine learning. Mastering clustering tools is essential for robust spatial AI pipelines. Deep learning takes segmentation to the next level. Networks like PointNet learn to recognize parts in unordered point clouds, generalizing where hand-tuned clustering fails. Data preparation, sampling, normalizing, and batching is often the make-or-break step. A clean input pipeline in PyTorch can achieve high accuracy, while poor data handling leads to failure. Focus on mastering the data pipeline before optimizing network architectures. Semantic spatial AI attaches meaning and relationships to scenes, enabling language models to reason about spatial data. Tools like Clip, Segment Anything, and dnov2 turn typed words into concepts grounded in 3D space. Scene graphs represent objects and their relationships, allowing queries like, "Is the fire exit blocked?" This area is rapidly evolving, offering opportunities for innovation and practical applications. Scene graphs are the backbone of semantic spatial AI. They represent objects as nodes and relationships as edges, enabling machines to answer complex spatial queries. Building a scene graph involves segmenting the cloud, labeling objects, and defining spatial relationships. Connecting these graphs to language models transforms raw spatial data into actionable intelligence, making them valuable products for industry. The deliver stage focuses on capturing clean input and rendering results. Meshing turns point clouds into solid models, using algorithms like Poisson surface reconstruction and marching cubes. Visualization tools like Cloud Compare, PoTree, and Blender enable real-time viewing and rendering of massive datasets. Mastering both capture and rendering halves the learning curve, as these skills are two sides of the same coin. Understanding sensors is crucial for capturing high-quality spatial data. There are multiple methods for 3D scanning, each suited to different environments and budgets. Synthetic point cloud rooms provide training data when real scans are unavailable. Mesh generation transforms points into surfaces, enabling deeper analysis and visualization. Smart change detection and real-time visualization techniques ensure your data remains relevant and actionable. The true value of spatial AI lies in system integration. Each skill feeds into the next, forming a chain that transforms raw data into actionable insights. Clustering outputs feed deep learning networks, which provide labels for scene graphs, enabling advanced queries. This interconnected pipeline is what companies pay for a system, not just a script. Holding the entire chain in your mind shifts your perspective from following guides to designing innovative pipelines. Depending on your resources, you can start at different points in the pipeline. If you have point clouds, begin with LiDAR processing, then move to segmentation and deep learning. If you only have a camera, start with 3D reconstruction. Whichever path you choose, focus on building rather than just reading. Hands-on experience accelerates learning and helps you master spatial AI quickly. A wealth of resources supports your journey in spatial AI. Open 3D documentation, PDAL, LASPI, PointNet, and 3D Gaussian splatting are essential tools and methods. The 3D Geodata Academy offers structured programs and free content to deepen your understanding. Leveraging these resources ensures you stay current with evolving techniques and best practices in spatial AI. To wrap up, let's address some common questions. 3D Spatial AI teaches software to understand space like it does text and images using Python workflows. You don't need a LiDAR scanner. Photogrammetry and AI models work with ordinary photos. Plan to spend weeks per skill, not years. The fastest way to learn is by building real projects. This guide equips you with the knowledge and resources to start your journey and grow into a spatial AI expert.